Today I'm going to teach you how to add Codepen HTML to an Elementor page in WordPress. This is a fantastic way to embed interactive code examples, animations, or custom elements directly into your WordPress site, making your content more dynamic and engaging for your visitors. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to access your WordPress website's admin dashboard. Open your browser, navigate to your site's login page, and enter your credentials to log in. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see the main navigation menu on the left side of your screen where all your WordPress tools and features are organized. Now, locate and click on Pages in that left sidebar. This will expand a submenu with several options. From there, click on Add New or Add Page, depending on your WordPress version. This creates a fresh new page for you to work with. Once the page editor loads, look for the button that says Edit with Elementor, usually located near the top of the screen. Click on it to launch the Elementor Page Builder interface, which gives you full drag and drop control over your page design. With Elementor now open, you'll notice a left panel filled with various widgets and elements you can add to your page. At the top of this panel, there's a search bar that makes finding specific widgets much faster. Type HTML into that search bar, and you'll see the HTML widget appear in the results. This widget is essential because it allows you to insert custom code directly into your page without needing to edit theme files or use additional plugins. Click on the HTML widget or drag it directly into the section of your page where you want your Codepen content to appear. Elementor will place the widget and automatically open its settings panel on the left side. Here you'll see a large text box labeled HTML code. This is where you'll paste your Codepen embed code. Click inside this box to activate it, then paste the Codepen HTML code you've copied. If you need to adjust the positioning or styling, you can also click on the 6-dotted icon at the top of the HTML widget to access additional options and settings. Once you've pasted your code and everything looks good, it's time to save your work. Look toward the upper right corner of the Elementor interface where you'll find the Publish button. If you're ready to make the page live, click Publish. However, if you want to save your progress but aren't ready to publish yet, click the arrow next to Publish and select Save Draft from the drop-down menu. This ensures your changes are stored safely while you continue working on other aspects of your page. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded Codepen HTML into your Elementor page, adding interactive and custom-coded elements that can really elevate your website's functionality and appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.